In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host on Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for a streamlined way to get your website live, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Search for Webflow, and once the results pop up, you'll see an option to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up, which will only take a few moments. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled Plus New Site, and click on it. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be creating a new site from scratch. If you're unsure what your site should look like, you can explore templates and different layouts to get inspiration. With Webflow, you can begin this process using their free starter plan. This plan lets you build and publish your site to a webflow.io subdomain, which is handy if you're just testing the waters or want to get some initial feedback. Now, let's say you have bigger plans, like using a custom domain such as yourdomain.com. To do this, you'll need to upgrade to a paid site plan. Upgrading unlocks more features and provides you with the ability to connect your unique domain, giving your site that professional touch that visitors trust. If you're opting for that custom domain, head over to your project settings and find the Hosting tab. This is the command center for setting up your domain. There, you'll find detailed instructions on how to update your DNS settings with your domain registrar, so everything points correctly to your new Webflow site. It might sound daunting if you're new to this, but don't worry. Webflow offers clear guidance to make the process smooth. Once your site is all built and, if applicable, your domain is connected, the last step is to publish your site. You can do this directly from the Webflow Designer, which is where you craft your site. Look for the Publish button, and with just a click, your website will be live on the internet, ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to hosting your site on Webflow. Remember, Webflow is a powerful tool where creativity meets technology, and it's designed to make your web designing experience as seamless as possible. Enjoy the process, and soon enough, you'll have your site up and running, whether it's on a free subdomain or your personal custom domain. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our content for additional tips and tutorials.